30 Americans is really interesting because even though it's contemporary art, it makes reference to lots and lots of historical experiences, intergenerational trauma, intergenerational hopes for the future. I think it gives us a really interesting kind of touchstone for how we understand not just what it means to be Black in America or in Hawaii, but also what it means to be someone thinking deeply about their connections to other people. So I think this moment, certainly in 2020, having 30 Americans here is a really impactful opportunity for all of us to kind of take a moment and think about what those things mean and how they play out in our daily lives here.